Grand Parade marched down the Oak Tree Road in Edison and Eastland town of New Jersey to celebrate India's 68th Independence Day. It saw a massive participation of the Indo-Asian community in New Jersey, which is believed to be one of the largest in America. Let's have a look.
The 10th Annual New Jersey India Day Parade took place on August 10th along Oak Tree Road in Edison and the Eastland section of Woodbridge, the epicenter of the state's Indo-American community known as Little India.
The city of Edison has been named after Thomas Alva Edison, the famous inventor who set up his lab as well as his home there in 1876. But the texture of Edison is completely different now. In 2010, up to 28% residents of the town claimed that they were Indian American. And that was the starting point of this year's New Jersey India Day Parade.
25 floats rolled down Oak Tree Road as revelers waved Indian and American flags, danced to Indian and American music, and marked 68 years of independence.
It was lovely. We were absolutely swept away because living over here and experiencing so many Indians together, and the Indian national anthem being sung and the American anthem too, it was very nice. It was very nice, very fulfilling.
It's great. It's like India is in America when you see this many people and you see people from all different regions. It's a good experience. It's a lot of fun too.
Why do you think it's so important for Indians to celebrate Indian independence out here too?
I think it's important because this is the only way to preserve the culture here. It's the only way that the people who grew up in America like me get to see some of the traditions passed on to future generations. And it's good because my son can see everything from India even though he's not there right now.
The Indian community in Edison and Eastland is the largest in the state and among the largest in the country, growing rapidly since the 1970s and 80s.
Well, the Indian community in Woodbridge Township, which is where I'm the mayor of, but the Eastland section in particular, they saved it. 20 years ago, the place was derelict, decrepit, boarded up businesses. It was just nothing good. And one by one, the businesses were taken over by Asian Indians, restaurants and jewelry stores and sari shops. And now we have one of the most vibrant downtowns in New Jersey, if not the whole Eastern Seaboard. People come here from all over the East to shop and to dine, and we're very, very proud of this community.
The parade organizers team made commendable efforts to make it a memorable event for all the visitors attending the parade in Edison.
Day parade by IBA on Oak Tree Road, and we are so happy that it was one parade, Edison to Eastland, and people supported it. People of New Jersey are supporting IBA, and I'm so happy today.
To glam up the celebration, India Day Parade saw Bollywood actress Esha Deol, who was made the parade Grand Marshal. She was joined by Tina Datta and Omi Vaidya.
Wow, it's been outstanding. The amount of turnout of the crowd and the patriotism that the people of New Jersey have, it's been a true pleasure.
You've been a real trooper because you've actually walked a large distance in the heat. I mean, the heat has been as much like India. So what has that aspect been like for you?
As being actors and actresses, we are very used to the heat because we do a lot of outdoor shooting in the sun. So that was like a cakewalk.
What about Oak Tree Road? It's amazing to see so many Indian businesses along Oak Tree Road, from jewelry to sari shops. Did that come as a surprise to you coming here for the first time?
I've been to New Jersey a couple of times in the past as well, and it's lovely. It looks like mini India. Looking at the shops with the spices and the saris and the Indian jewelry, it's looking beautiful.
It's been crazy. There's so many Indians here. I don't know what to do. It's like I'm back in Bombay, like I'm in Gujarat, more like Gujarat actually. It's wonderful though. Everybody's having a great time. We're eating wonderful food. It's just a great time to celebrate being Indian. And what's better than celebrating being Indian in America?